Hello friends, so in this video I'm going to tell you about the NHAI recruitment 2020, that is National Highways Authority of India's recruitment 2020, and the job category is deputy manager and the total number of vacancies of 48. So these are the job details and the name of the organization NHAI and the number of vacancies of 48. Name of the post deputy manager technical, here it's going to be civil engineering, and the date of application, the starting date is 18th May 2020 and the closing date of application is 15th June 2020, and the category of the job is central government based job and the location is anywhere across India, and the application can be applied only through online, and this is the official website for this job. So the details of the vacancies. So among 48 vacancies, 20 is for UR unreserved and 6 number of vacancy is meant for SC and 4 is for ST, and for OBC it is around 15 seats, and for economically weaker section it's 3 and totally 48, and among that 48, 6 post is going to be given for physically handicapped or the persons with personal disabilities. So these are the details of the vacancies, and the eligibility criteria, the age limit, it should not exceed 30 years, and the qualification, civil engineering degree in any of the recognized universities or institutes, and the recruitment criteria is based on the GATE score obtained in 2020. Okay, so it is going to be a direct recruitment based on the GATE score and in civil engineering. So selection process, if you have a valid GATE score, so accordingly you will be called for an interview, then further you will be called for the document verification. So this is the selection process. And how to apply for this job? So visit this website, official website of NHAI, and then apply the online form, fill it up the online form with your informations and attach the documents required, that is photograph, signature, 10th standard certificate, then caste certificate, degree certificate and the GATE scorecard, and each of the documents should not exceed 1 MB. So accordingly you have to upload all your documents after filling out your informations, then submit it. So as soon as you submit, you will be receiving a unique reference number for your submission as well as an application acknowledgement. An acknowledgement will be sent to your email ID too, and you should keep that application acknowledgement safe, since if it is asked for, you need to provide that during your document verification. So you need to keep your acknowledgement safe. So this is the process of applying for this job through online. And pay scale, so it is of pay band 3 around 15,600 rupees to 39,100 plus 5,400 grade pay. So these are the links. So for the official notification PDF link, then how to apply it in online, the link has been provided, and this is the official website. All the links have also been given in the description box for your references. If you're really interested and eligible, you can apply for this job. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. All the best. Thank you.